Alright, today we're going to do removal and installation of hydraulic tubing. Now, I'll show you the removal for this fitting union and the B-nuts here. You need two spanner, right? This spanner to hold on to your union as backup spanner, and this one to loosen your B-nuts. Can you guess it's up or down?
Down.
Down, right hand or left hand?
Right hand down, left hand up.
Huh? Move which hand?
No, left hand.
I move my left hand up or down?
Down.
Up.
Oh. What's righty, sighty, lefty, loosey?
Okay, so you remove. Make sure that the systems is depressurized before you remove the B-nuts. Huh? So now you remove. I will remove this side. Come closer. And then right hand or left hand?
Right.
Right. Up or down?
Up.
Down.
All wrong.
Okay, down. So now I have removed this tubing. Now to install, make sure the tubings are aligned and you use your finger to tighten all the way to it bottom. All the way to it bottom. And then same thing, backup spanner, one flat for this exercise. Over here you hold the fitting, alright, tighten one flat, that will do. For this exercise I want you to remove the whole line, the plug, the clamp, these two B-nuts and this fitting here. Alright, when you finish let me know. Stop.